Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a logo to your video in Capcut PC easily. So prepare your logo you like to add to your video. You can add your logo, or for example I'm going to add logo is Instagram logo. So this is PNG format. Just open, so select your video, add to track, and add the logo as an overlay put on top. So just for iteration, and you can resize logo. Alright, so and you can add text. Change the text, for example your my account Instagram, and adjust for the position. We go. That's how you can add logo to your video in CapCut. PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.